So we'll just squint a little. You're covering, he's covering. And we'll just flip it. And it's done. It's burning, guys. Oops. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Toni, and for today's video, I will be showing you how to make s'mores all from scratch. So s'mores, guys, as we know it, is made up of grahams, your marshmallow, and your chocolate. And since in my previous video, I've already shown you how to make chocolates from scratch, so just watch it again, or if you haven't watched it, I'll just put the link in the description box below, so just check it out. And then for today, I'll just make the graham crackers and the marshmallows. So ang marshmallow, guys, it needs to be sat for like 4 to 6 hours, so kana na lang ato unahin mo. Marshmallow, guys, calls for a recipe called corn syrup, but I know, guys, dili siya always available na sa atong kitchen. So for today, I will just show you the easiest way on how to make marshmallows from scratch with just 3 ingredients. You just need the sugar, your water, and your gelatin. Okay, so again, all the measurements of the ingredients, guys, I will just put in the description box below. So lantawan na lang ninyo, guys. So here, we have a warm water, and then we will add in our gelatin. Okay. So ato lang ni siyang ipa-dissolve. And then we will just set this aside for later. So in your saucepan, guys, we will need a saucepan because we will do the syrup. So in your saucepan, guys, we will add in our sugar. Okay. And then and then we will add in our water. And we will boil this one until it reaches threadlike stage, or that in 230 Fahrenheit, guys. So again, if you don't have a candy thermometer at home, it's totally fine, guys. You just need a spoon. So ato lang i-dip ang spoon, and then when pag imo siya ni-up, and then it looks nga na siya thread, so muna na siya ang thread-like stage, and then we will add our gelatin if na siya sa thread-like stage. So I'll just show you later.
A few moments later.
So guys, hapit na siya mag-thread-like stage. So this is almost the thread-like stage, guys. You have this consistency, guys. I-add na nato atong the gelatin. Gilower lang po din ako ang fun, guys. So just mix it up. Just actually, we'll just mix it up, guys. Oops. Be careful lang po din, money, guys. Okay. So, until inani na murag medyo slimy ang yung consistency, pwede na siya, guys. And then, you'll just turn off the heat and transfer this one to cool it down, okay? So, now, guys, we've just transferred our mixture, the syrup, and the gelatin here in our mixing bowl, okay? So, karon, we just need to cool this one down and set this side for a while. Okay, and then we will just ready our trays kung asa na to ibutang atong marshmallow. Okay, so ako, guys, I use this tray. It depends kung unsa na tray inyong ha, if what's available, kato na lang siya gamita. Basta it has a kanang sa side dito, guys. So you can use parchment paper, or ako, guys, foil. It depends on you. If you have non-stick at home, you can also use that one, but just to make sure, we will brush all the inside with oil. Okay, and then we will also put cornstarch, or with a mixture of powdered sugar, or pwede na po siya cornstarch. Ako, guys, cornstarch lang ako ibutang para siguro din na po kayo ang mix niya. So na lang siya, guys. All the sides brush with oil, and I don't know unsa ni siya kadaghan pa, so duha na lang para mag-ready na lang ta. So all the sides, we will brush it with oil. And then also guys, we will put in cornstarch sa inside. Okay, para dili jud siya mo stick. Medyo messy. Okay na siya guys. Ayan na. Just make sure na everything na put. So there you have it. All the sides are greased and put with cornstarch. So let's kanisha guys. I think it's okay na to we will beat this one out until more siya birang na mixture. So let's do this.
12 seconds later.
So now guys, I think this is ready na. If you have this consistency and if maka-form mo og number 8, so this means na okay na ni siya. So we'll just transfer this one to our mold. Siguro kanilang kamay, kamay ra siya. And your rubber scraper, you will grease this one na lang para to make sure na dili bitaw siya mapilit. So, marshmallow. So, ano lang siya guys. And then, so this one, we'll just transfer this one. You have it. We'll just set this one out for 4 hours and we'll see later. So now guys, we will be making our
graham crackers.
Yes, we will be making our graham crackers, guys. And then just a little trivia about graham crackers, guys. It's called that way because the main ingredient, guys, the flour that is used is called the gram flour. So gram flour, guys, kuha na siya, it's a coarsely na wheat flour. So I know lisod siya panitaon, so for today we will just use the wheat flour or the bread flour. So current guys, separate na nako daan ang what do you call this, the ingredients para mas dali siya. Okay, so in here is your dry ingredients, your wet ingredients, and your butter. So in your dry ingredients, guys, you will have here your wheat flour or the bread flour, then your brown sugar, your cinnamon, and your baking soda. And here is your honey, and then your milk and your vanilla essence and your butter. So let's start. So here, so the first thing guys is we will add in our dry ingredients. So hold this one kuya. You put it here. Can you put it here? Oh, I'll help you. Slowly. So kuan siya guys. We'll get the spatula. So we will put it here. So if you don't have a food processor at home, guys, pwede ra pud siya ninyo in your mixer or pwede ra pud siya gali, guys. You can do it by hand. Okay, so para mas madali siya. So ani. And then we'll just squan a little. He's covering. Pulse lang nato gamay, guys. Just to incorporate lang siya, and then we will add in our butter.
Oh, mercy kayo to, guys.
Sige, you add the butter, kuya. You put it here. Oh, sige. I'll help you. So you put everything. So, ang butter, guys, i-cubes na lang ninyo siya. Okay.
I'm just getting crinkles, okay?
So you get. He likes cookies, guys. Exactly. So if the consistency, guys, is medyo murag sandy-like texture na siya, like this one, we will add in our, is it yummy? Who make that one dong?
You?
Is it yummy?
Yes.
Maybe in the next video, siguro guys, I'll also teach you how to make like this. So, but for today, graham crackers. And then, pag sandy na yung texture, guys, we will add in our, you do it? You want to do it?
Yes.
Oh.
Okay.
Ano, Ma'am Toni na lang. So, we will slowly... One day. So, it starts to form a dough.
The kind
So,
of
here.
cookies, no?
So, I think this is okay now. And then, we'll just put this one. We'll need a little bit, guys.
What is
When
that?
you have this consistency, guys, we will put it here. And siguro, ato lang siyang i-roll out into a ball. And then, we'll wrap it and chill it in the chiller for at least 30 minutes.
Mama?
Yes?
I'm looking away.
Actually, guys, nagkuha ng video siya a while kuya, okay? Ipatong ni siya, guys. Is that okay? So, we will sprinkle our surface with bread flour. And then, we will put in our...
And we will have
dough.
some...
You want to eat this one later?
Mm,
You want to try this one? So guys, kailangan na siya i-chill because medyo kung yung consistency ka ng wet pa. So ano na siya guys, we'll just
that looks like a dinosaur cookie dough you're making, you know.
Sige, we will make the extra dough, we will make into a dinosaur cookie dough, okay?
No.
But this is a graham cracker. Do you like graham cracker dough? So
Yes.
if it turns
I mean,
Yes.
I'm saying that, but I'm saying that for now because it looks like a cookie dough of, because it looks like a cookie dough of
Okay.
dinosaur.
So if it turns into a ball, guys, i-wrap lang ninyo siya. Okay.
Ayaw.
Wrap it in a cling wrap and then
Ayaw.
we'll just let it cool first para makuan siya. Oh my gosh.
Is your hand tied?
Yeah. Okay. So kuan siya guys, this one, we will chill this one for 30 minutes. Minimum na siya guys. Para medyo ma-roll out na to siya later.
1 hour later.
Guys, it's been chilled for about an hour jud siya guys, pero gibutang siya actually na ako sa freezer para mas dali siya. And then I think pwede na nato ni siya ma-handle. We'll just roll this one out and form it into like kanang graham crackers. So siguro dili lang siguro tanan. Okay.
Why?
You want to help? Here.
Gusto ko may kay
What?
super wings na.
Okay. So kani siya guys, if you have extra or if sakto lang ang inyong gusto i-load sa oven, so pwede rin ninyo siya i-chill bihapon anytime. If you want, pwede rin ninyo i-roll again. So inana lang siya guys. So again, with flour ni siya guys. I'm using wheat flour to dust and to perma-roll.
I'm not using wet flour.
You are.
Yes, yes,
What are you gonna make?
Nest.
Nest?
Yes, because this time it is a Paw Patrol one.
Okay. You can also use kuan guys, pizza cutter para kuan, pero ako I will be using the
Gonna
just
be
get
a
the tray.
big mama rapper nest.
And then this one,
This is
I'll cut it in
with
with this guys. You should preheat your oven day guys to around 300 degree Fahrenheit. Na full na siya ang tray. So you just get a fork and then like the usual graham crackers, just inyo lang siyang i-put some dots like that para mura po jud siya o graham cracker. So done na siya guys. We're gonna load this one in our oven.
Eventually.
So guys, this is the moment of truth. It's been 4 hours and we'll see if our marshmallow has already set. But I think kay ni-set na siya guys. Kay it doesn't stick na. So you'll just get a cornstarch, or pwede siya guys, cornstarch and powdered sugar i-mix, it's fine. So ano lang siya guys. Our graham crackers pudi guys is already baked. So we'll just taste it later na lang, okay? And also in here guys, we will also sprinkle it out. Kay basin mo pilit siya dinhi. So ano lang siya. Mold na nato siya guys. And we'll just gonna open this one. And unta guys, okay lang siya. Because I still don't know. This is actually also my first try in making marshmallow guys. So, oh my gosh. Medyo nipilit pa siya sa sides. So we'll try to unmold siya. Almost there. And it's done. So here it is. And now guys, we'll just cut this one out in the size as the same as our graham crackers. So we'll put some para dili siya mapilit, or maybe oil. We'll put some oil and then the cornstarch para dili siya mapilit. Okay. So now guys, we will try to assemble our s'mores. So a graham cracker, and then so actually guys, muna lang siyang nabilin sa akong chocolate sa last time. So just gonna put it, and then our marshmallow, and then we have a torch. So ato lang siya gi-torch. So it's burning guys. Oops. Just give it a little burn. Okay. And then so there you have it, our s'mores. Kung unsay taste niya. So very crispy grahams, and then not too sweet, just right siya guys. Thank you for watching till the very end of this video, and I hope you will continue to support me, and please do hit the like and subscribe buttons, and see you on my next video.